Good afternoon everyone, my name is Dan Jalal and this is Amna Khalil. Now I don't know if many of you know this, but people living in the rural areas of Northern Territory have it quite tough up there. Now you may be asking yourselves, why do they have it tough up there? Well, the economy is mainly driven by construction and mining. As a matter of fact, construction, mining, agricultural, forestry and fishing accounts for 50% of the GSP, 50%. This is quite bad because we all know just how detrimental mining and construction are for our environment.
Only if there was a way to raise the economy sustainably. Well, that's what we came here to talk about. There is a fruit that can only be harvested in the Northern Territory. It's called Kakadu Plum. Now, this is quite a special fruit. It claims to have the highest vitamin C concentration in the world. But how does this help the economy? Well, if you think about it, if this fruit can be commercialized, then a lot more people will buy this fruit due to its benefits. This will help raise the economy in a sustainable way. However, there is a problem. Due to Australia's unique climate, this fruit will not survive shipping.
Now, of course, there has been a solution to this problem, freeze drying. Although the fruit itself cannot be commercialized, its powder form can. However, people buy this looking at the research done on the fruit itself, therefore not the powder. Who's to say the vitamin C concentration has not been affected after the process of freeze drying? Well, it is affected. However, the literature online seems to claim that it's only affected slightly. That's where we come in. We have decided to test the vitamin C concentration in the Kakadu Plum powder and compare it to the vitamin C concentration in orange powder. Now, this will not only provide a sustainable way of raising the economy, but it will also give consumers more accurate information to make informed choices about their health products.
In our experiment, we used the titration method to test the vitamin C concentration. The titration method pretty much works like this. You slowly drip the vitamin C product into the vitamin C indicator using a syringe. Now, as you can see, the less drops it takes, the more vitamin C is in the fruit. As we were conducting our experiment, we thought that we would have to further dilute the Kakadu Plum so that it wouldn't change color on the first drop. Otherwise, we won't know exactly how many milliliters it takes to change the color of our indicator. However, to our surprise, we did not have to dilute it at all. This meant that the vitamin C concentration had been majorly affected by the processes of freeze drying. As a result of this, we decided to test another fruit with a high vitamin C content, papaya. Again, papaya powder took a lot to change the color of our indicator. By this time, we were convinced that the processes of freeze drying has done more damage than we expected. Therefore, we decided to test fresh orange juice so we can compare it to the orange powder and see just how much damage was done.
To our surprise, the oranges had to be diluted so it would be possible for us to test it. This shocked us because if the oranges had to be diluted, can you imagine just how much the processes of freeze drying impacted the concentration of vitamin C? From these tests, we have discovered the difference in concentration of Kakadu Plum powder and orange powder is 6.8 times. This is much smaller than the difference between the actual Kakadu Plum and orange, which is 500.
This is contradictory to online literature as it shows that the processes of freeze drying has had a major impact on the vitamin C concentration. Therefore, contradicting to literature online, the freeze drying processes affects the vitamin C concentration quite a fair bit, 87.176 times to be exact. However, the vitamin C concentration in Kakadu Plum powder is still substantially high. Therefore, it can still help Northern Territory in raising its economy in sustainable ways. However, consumers do need to keep in mind that it's still way less than the vitamin C concentration of the fruit itself. Now, although we have done this experiment quite well, further research has to be done so that we can confidently confirm this discovery as it goes against many sources and researchers.
Thank you for listening.